back, guys. So I want to give it a shout out to SUPCASE for sending me this Google Pixel 4a cases, so I could show you guys what's the case look like. And I will be including the link that's going to show you in the description, so you guys could check out the products. Anyway, let's go and then open this up and then show you guys. So I got two of these cases. One is a UB style black color, and then second one is a UB Pro dash SP black. And both of them are made in China. Got the nice cardboard case with their branding over there. SUPCASE, unicorn beetle. Got their nice holograph or rainbow sticker right there. And both of them are military standard, or they did the drop protection test on this. This one is shock resistant, and then perfect gripping, scratch resistant, and dual layer design, accurate cutout. The thank you card right there. So it is a pretty good design. Got the clear, nice hard PC, which is stand for polycarbonate unbreakable clear backing, and then got this nice hard protective silicone case, or the TPU, and you got all those nice cutout for the speaker, microphone, and then charging port. They have this two cutout opening right here. You could put like a wristband, and you got the protective buttons, up and down rocker, and your power. There's your microphone hole right there, and then 3.5mm jack, and nothing on this side. And you got the accents of the gray color, or the border around the backing right there, and also around the camera lens. And then there's your SUPCASE branding right there. There's also a cutout opening right here for your fingerprint scanner. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Tech ink, and this is made of eco pet paper. So in case you want to scan this QR code for the installation video. And another thank you card right here. Also an installation guide. So this one is 360 full body protective case. Also, it says inserting the case face up will damage the holster. So they say if you insert this way, it's going to damage the holster. Oh, because of the clip, there's no slanted angle right there. Maybe that's why it's like make it harder to grab on the case. Oh, I see. And you could only have that little grab on it. So because of this slanted design on the backing, so it's easy to clip on, and then less force. As you can see, it fit in there nicely. Versus when you put it face up like that. Not supposed to do it this way, but wow, it's missing out the lens or the protective. It's like squeezing it down. Alright, so this one's a pretty awesome case. I have this one for my Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G, and I've been using it and pretty happy with it. Because it is a bigger phone on the Note 20 Ultra 5G. So whenever I go out, I have a holster and I need my two hand. I just clip this belt clip. This is a 360-degree rotating belt clip, by the way, okay? So I just click on my belt, and then what I need to do, just clip on this, and it frees up my both hands so I can carry stuff that I need to carry, or groceries, or shopping, whatever. So this one has a screen protector on top of it. The Note 20 Ultra 5G doesn't have this screen protector because of the on-screen fingerprint scanner, and on the original phone already it is pretty hard to read. So imagine you put another layer of this plastic, it is impossible to read your fingerprint. So that's why they don't have this one. Because this one, the fingerprint scanner is on the back. So yeah, if you have a long fingernail like me, so it's gonna be hard to, well, you can still read it if you press a little bit further down. So you want to clip your phone with the most button on one side first. This one go in first, and then press other side in. And it says protective film to be peel off. So inside there's another layer of protective film. Prevent from scratch unless you peel this off after installation. There's another one on the front. And you got the sub case right there, debossed it. And all these are designed in USA and then made in China. Got this nice flap to protect the 3.5 millimeter jack, so the lint, dirt, dust, water doesn't get in there. And you have this raised up protective backing to protect your camera. And also this one, the backing it is flush, so it doesn't wobble. There's your protective buttons right there. And you got the SUPCASE branding right here. And on the bottom, you got the speaker and microphone, and also the flap for your charging port. And this one also has a bifold kickstand. Just go like that. Make sure you hear a click to lock in. And this one will allow you to put in a portrait mode or the landscape. If you're watching videos or YouTube videos, music video, whatever that you want to watch. All right, so these are the two cases. And hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment down below. And be sure to check this out. I'll be including the link that's going to show in the description. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.